Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we are taking a look at setting up a sales pipeline. This is going to be very, very basic, very, very simple. The idea behind this is just to give you some ideas that you can run with to make it make sense for your agency. So you can see here, I'm in my test pipeline, my dummy pipeline here. So what I am operating under the assumption under here is that a new lead comes in, it's a new web lead or Google lead, or somebody submits a form on my website, whatever that looks like. There's going to be a task that comes in immediately. The second that the task comes in, it's going to trigger to the selling producer, whoever it's assigned to. I can also set this to round robin to a specific group. So I want this to go to all of my producers, right? Boom. Here's the lead, the task, the lead here. Call the lead. Here's the info, phone number, email, whatever. Call this person. If they don't answer, add the correct tag. We can talk about that in just a second here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. And now, as soon as the lead comes through, it's going to round robin through those producers to be assigned so that somebody can call them immediately. It's also going to send an email on day 2 here. And again, this is just kind of a sample email. Just go out. Here's some email. Here's an email that's going to go out. It's coming from the selling producer. It's going to go out the next day, and I want it to go at 10 a.m. Central. Okay, so you can set all the times and whatnot here. Now, this is where you can kind of have fun with the tags as well. So if you've got different scenarios, right? If this person that came in is a web lead, you can tag it web lead. You can have some different content that goes out based around that. Hey, thank you for submitting your form on my website. I really, really appreciate it. I'd love a chance to work with you and get some quotes together, right? Versus if it comes in maybe via a giveaway that you're having or something, right? You can do the same thing. You can keep it all in the same pipeline, but you can have different sets of communications going out based on the tags. So you can have a specific giveaway tag that you're working with there. Either way, that's kind of the very first step inside of here too. What I also highly, highly recommend is adding in a shot clock for neglected leads, right? If a lead comes in and it hasn't been worked in, I'm going to even say a day, right? If there's no info after a day, I want this to be reassigned to the assignment group of all the producers that I've got, right? I don't really care about adding a tag to it. I can say that it's been reassigned, just so that way when the second person gets it, they know, hey, this is, I need to call this person because they haven't been reached out to yet. So I would highly, highly recommend putting something in here, some kind of shot clock for neglected leads. That way, if you've got somebody, on vacation, or if someone's just overwhelmed and they didn't see that they got it, you're not losing any leads. Nothing falls through the cracks. It's going to be assigned to all of your producers. So I'm going to go ahead and save this guy as well. And then the other shot clock that you can do here too is for aged leads, right? So if you've got somebody that's sitting in here and you've set all your automation up and you're sending emails and you're sending text messages and you've got task reminders to call them, you can come in here and set an aged lead. We can set it for whatever we want. We could say for 30 days if something happens. So after a lead has been aging for 30 days, I'm going to go ahead and do that. I can move this over to wherever I want. I can select a specific pipeline for dead. I can smart cycle it, which is exactly what I would do. So I'm going to smart cycle this guy, and I'm going to bring him back in 11 months, and I'm going to start the process all over again. And I don't have to do a thing, right? This person, all the automation has been going out. Producers have been making phone calls, emails, text messages, whatever. They didn't answer back. Okay, great. After 30 days, you're going to get cycled back in 11 months later. And I can select exactly the pipeline that I want it to go to. So it's going to come right back to this pipeline. It's going to come right back to this stage. And I can keep the current lead source and I can add a specific tag, right? This is a very, very useful point to add a tag. This can be, second time through, third time through, fourth time through, whatever. You can put something in there that says when they come back, hey, we weren't able to get a hold of you last year to try to win your business. We'd love an opportunity to do it this year. Again, you can tailor the message based off of the tag. So there's a lot of info, a lot longer than I planned on this one being, but hopefully that is helpful. And if you have any questions, reach out. Thanks, guys.